Okay, this video we're working on page 6. So page 5 finished, page 6 of your Unit 7 notebook. You're going to need a few things. You're going to need, first of all, the definition vocab for cell wall. You're going to need this whatever guide for cell wall, these two pictures, and then also these two. So I'm going to get those cut out and I'll have them laid right here for you. So go ahead and pause, find them, and we'll get them cut out. Okay, so these are the things you're going to need. Again, the definition, these two guys, this one, and these two pictures. So if you don't have them cut out already, go ahead and do that. And pause and come back when you're ready to write the definition of cell wall. Get this stuff out of the way for a second. Okay, so a cell wall is the rigid means like stiff or sturdy or hard, porous, it's like holy or able to absorb water, outer layer of a plant cell. Make sure that's important because it's only in plant cells that protects it. Okay, question 1. The cell wall is found only in plant and fungi or fungus and some bacteria cells. If our classroom was a plant cell, the cell wall, the ceiling, floor, and walls. Okay, so it would be the ceiling, the floor, and the walls would be the cell wall because they give our classroom its shape and structure. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and get that glued in at the top of the page. No, am I out? No. I'm out. Okay. We're going to get that glued in at the top of the page. And then you're going to put your, don't forget to answer question 3. I come around and I see nobody has question 3 answered. So you're going to describe how the picture of this cell wall and this brick wall represent the word cell wall. Okay, we've got our cell wall here. Got our highlighter. This is the outer layer of a plant cell and it supports. Now it's going to get glued in, kind of like on the other page, down in our bottom right corner. Now these ones you're going to glue in a little differently. So we've got our cell wall, structure and support. Well, that's going to get glued in like this. And then we've got this one says cell wall, surrounds the plant cell, maintains shape and structure. And I want you to highlight this really good. Plant cell only. So we don't have this cell wall. That's why we are like, we move around and we're more rounded. And you're going to glue this kind of like a little book. So like this. Like that. Then we're going to do a few notes. So let me get my pen and we'll get started on that. Okay. So the cell wall okay. So the first part. Think about the cell wall as a fortified, that means like heavily fixed or strong or guarded, fortified castle wall. It is tough. Rigid. Remember, that means stiff or strong. Hard. Outer wall that protects it and gives its shape. Okay, also. Okay, most cell walls are made of cellulose, which is like a carbohydrate that is only found in plant cells, which allows water and other essential, remember what essential means? Necessary, super important, essential materials to flow in and out of the cell. Okay, and that's page 6.